handcuffs. So you can hear the real sound with handcuffs. I'm not pretty good at bye-bye-night, but I'm gonna try my best. How is it still loading? Okay, so I use security guard, and I spawned a random place here. Gotta break through that door, and where? Okay, so where? Wait, what's that? A battery. Pick that up. Thank you. Hey, get started. Oh, thank you for barricading the door there. You can go now. Come. I think I just killed that guy. Okay, where should we go? Handcuffs are very annoying. Really. Oh shit. Not good. Oh no. Need to run. No, don't go there. He's coming. Go. These handcuffs are very, very annoying. Oh, there's only 2 players left. I just noticed. I think he's targeting me. Maybe. Yes, I tased him. Okay, let's go. Oh no. No. Run. Come. Oh no. We need to hide. But that's not gonna work. He will find us eventually. Yep, I just said it. I knew it. Okay, we can just loop here. Let's go. What? Why is he standing there? Is he AFK? Oh no, he's not AFK. What is he doing? I have cooldown on taser, so need to wait till the cooldown gets off my screen. Okay, let's shoot him. Taser fire. If he's still AFK, we maybe can win. But oh, he moved. Oh no. What? Where is the other guy? You Don't come near me. Okay? Don't come near me. Don't come near me or I'll kill you. You are getting killed. Run! He's coming, he's coming. I saw him. Where is he? Oh my gosh. I'm walking so slow. And now I just wasted my... Where is he? I want to check the camera because it's too dangerous. What was that? Oh. So I'm just gonna follow this guy. Oh. Being the two only survivors and you can't even get him. Imagine being a killer and have two survivors and you can't even kill them. Why isn't he getting out? Like knock on the door or something. Maybe we can win. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Yes, I tased him. Get tased. Get out, bro. Need to run here. Busted through that door. Is he following me? Yeah, he's following me. Okay, I'm his protector now. Gang, gang, gang. Oh, he's there. He's just chilling with the screen. What did he do? Oh, I'm gonna tase him. No, I missed. Where is the other guy? Okay, where is... Oh, here is the generator. I'm gonna fix it. Oh, I need to take this one. Oh, I'm down. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Ah, come on. Yes. Boom. 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 Come on, come on. Please, please, don't get me. I'm lagging so much. Oh no. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, ooh, boom shakalaka. Oh no. Oh. What? You just wasted my bullet. No. These handcuffs are very... Oh! These handcuffs are very annoying. They are very irritating. And they hurt too. How long is this going to take? Where's the last generator, by the way? I'll just hide here and I'll just get my charger. Oh, that's not my charger. This is my charger. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, you scared me. Okay, so I just need to do the last generator, and then we can escape. So I think the escape is here. Is it here? Ask me in the comments. Where is Springtrap? Where is he? Oh, there's a generator. We can do the generator, and I can protect. Come on, do the generator. Am I gonna do it? Okay, I can do it. Why can't I fix it? Is this a fake generator? Imagine if that is a fake generator. Oh, what's this? Okay, we need to run. We need to loot. Let's loot. Oh, what is he doing? Have you actually played a killer before? Does he know how to run? I don't think he knows how to run. Okay, he only has 4 seconds actually. Okay, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yay, we survived. Okay.
Please be advised.
Thank you for watching.
Systems are compromised.
Bye.
Proceed to the